If you're not taking a good vitamin D supplement every single day, then I think you're making a big mistake. And Dr. Rhonda Patrick explains why.
Vitamin D gets converted into a steroid hormone, and it goes into the nucleus of cells and interacts with DNA. So it recognizes a very specific sequence of DNA called the vitamin D response element. And this is encoded in our DNA. And that interaction then either turns genes on and activates them, or it does the opposite. It sort of turns them down and represses them. So it's very important for orchestrating. I mean, we're talking about over 5% of the protein encoding human genome is regulated by vitamin D, which is quite a lot. You know, you can imagine if you're running a car and your pistons are firing out of sync with each other. I mean, that's kind of what's happening when you don't have adequate levels of vitamin D. Your genes aren't being regulated in the way they're supposed to be. So things aren't being activated when they're supposed to be or repressed when they're supposed to be. So things are kind of, going awry. And as I mentioned about its widespread prevalence in terms of inadequacy, so about